Hello, 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 hello. We got some new surprise eggs. The emojis. They're the yellow ones. And we got some new M&M surprise eggs too. Let's check out the orange one first. Hello, 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 hello. Let's open it up. Yay! It's another minion. Wow, the construction minion. So cute. Hello, 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 hello. Let's check out the next one. Let's do the emoji. This one. This is how it opens. That's right. Look, it's so beautiful. It has some yummy gumballs inside. Let's see what colors we have. Wow, so nice. Now let's fill up this dispenser. Let's close it up. There you go. Let's see if it works. Yay, so cute. Hello, 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 hello. He gave us all the gumballs. Almost. You got one more. Let's push it down. Oh, the last one doesn't want to come out. Let's put it back inside. Let's put it back in. And now let's do the other ones. Look, I have it the other way around. So nice. Anyways, let's open the blue one. Hello, 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 hello. Blue, 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 blue. What's inside this blue? It's the baby blue baby. Look at her cute blue hair. So cute. Wow, so cute. She got 2 braids. She is so adorable. Blue, 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 blue. Let's see what's next. Let's do the red one. Red, 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 red. Nice! We got the red McQueen. 95. So super, so super, so super cute. Let's see it from the back. And there's the number 95. Perfect. Now let's check out the the laugh out loud. Let's open it up. Let's open it. Here we go. That's a nice brown inside. Let's check out the gumballs. Nice. We got some yellow, some blue, some green, some orange. Very, very cute. Now let's close it up. There you go. Laugh out loud. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Nice. The gumballs are coming down. Beautiful. Yay. So nice. So nice. Let's see what's next. Let's open up the brown one. Brown, 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 brown. This is so cute. Wow. Let's see who's next. The Disney cars. Let's open it. Look, these are beautiful. This is the stickers that goes on the vehicle. And this would be McQueen. So super, so super, so super cute. And here's the McQueen set. Beautiful. It's so ready. Let's check out the next one. Nice. It's so ready. Alrighty, let's put back our sweetheart. Here we go. That's a beautiful one. So lovely. Hello. And that's most of the gumballs. Not so many. It's so yummy looking. Orange, green, and blue. Blue, green, orange, blue. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 and only 4 little ducks came back. Let's see what's inside this first surprise egg. Oh, it's Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty over the candy. All the great ducks and all the good friends wanted to see Humpty together again. Let's check out the surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got a surprise minion. Let's open it up. Nice. We got Bored Silly Bob. He looks fantastic. Let's go on. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 and only 2 little ducks came back. Let's open up this next surprise. Super nice. We got a surprise. Let's see if it's going to be a duck too. Wow, so beautiful. Looks like a mini baby dinosaur. Beautiful. Super beautiful. Let's go on. And this is what we got. The super nice strawberry lollipop. Oh, yummy lollipop. Let's try it. Wow, the strawberry lollipop looks very white. Let's try it and see if it's going to be yummy. It's delicious. I like this lollipop a lot. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 and only 1 little duck came back. We got these cheeks today too, filled with some yummy candies. Let's open them up. Wow, it's colorful, beautiful. We got some blue, yellow, red, and pink. Let's try them. Oh, super nice. Let's try the yellow first. This yellow is so yummy. Very chewy. Let's go on. 1 little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 and none of the ducks came back. Sad Mama duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 and all the little ducks came back. It's such a yummy episode. It's still a lot of candy in here. Let's try one of the candies. The fun little mini colas. Let's open them up. Wow, what a cute little mini bottle. It's so yummy. It's so chewy. It's so yummy. It's so chewy. It's so tasty. Yummy party. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big like, subscribe to become a twinkle little star, and have a nice day.